Hey, what's up, buddy? How doing? I hope you're doing great. I am Viren Bablu, and today I'm again here at my field area. You can see practicing my spoken English. So, guys, I was on a trip, very long trip. That was 10 days, and first I went to Mussoorie, and Mussoorie was quite cold, and after that we come Rishikesh. Rishikesh was not cold. Rishikesh it's normal like the same here weather, and after that I went to Amritsar. Amritsar also like same weather like here, very hot. And after that I went to Jammu for Darshan Mata Vaishno Devi, and all this complete I came here at my village, and I thought let's practice here because there was not much time to practice because on a trip there is lots of hectic, lots of problems, and not find good place to shoot. So that's why I didn't shoot much video. I shoot only 2-3 video on my trip. So I came here and find good place. It's my village area, and here again you can see it's a very open area, very quiet, very empty. No one is here, so I can practice freely. So guys, if you also learning English, if you also trying to speak English, so do like me. That's I'm doing. You can do too. Like you do writing, studying, or watching everything. But if you are not trying to speak, so you can't speak. So do all that things, but speak, because without speaking you can't speak. So speak whatever come in your mind. Speak at least 10 to 15 minutes. My resolution is that I have to speak at least 10 minutes. 10 minutes is enough, because when you are beginner you can't speak even 1-2 minutes, because in beginning will not come in our mind sentences, even words. So speak whatever, not without any stoppage. It's also my 20th session, but I'm quite fluent, but not as much I want. So it's a very good practice, because without practice, and I'm seeing myself that when I was started myself, I was quite stumbling, I was haggling, I was stuttering, and all this meaning, guys, is I was not fluent. I was speaking, stop, like middle of this conversation I stopped and not come out my mouth. So, but nowadays I'm quite fluent, and it only took 20th, and I'm sure that 30 session will be fluent myself. So let's see. It's my practical that what it would be if I do anything 30 days. Only 20 days I got little fluent, but not as good, but yeah, a little bit good. So you can to record yourself at least 10 minutes. Go outside where not anyone, because if you do practice in public or where people roaming, so you'll distract, because people look at you, you'll distract. So go outside and where not people distract you. So that's why I come here, and I practice freely. How much high I can speak, no one care. And many people asking me that how did I learn English. So guys, I learn everything from myself. I learn first, I study and I watch and listen English. So you can to watch lots of videos and study at least 2 to 3 pages English, like everything, like a newspaper, whatever. Read everything in English. Read lots of English books, like story books. Read you can read newspaper, because it give us lots of improvement. Because when we read newspaper, in the newspaper they give very good word meaning, so your vocabulary will be improved. And guys, if you're reading English, so read out loud, because our tongue not used to English language. So when we read out loud, so our English pronunciation also improve, because when do lots of mistakes, speaking not coming, not come out our mouth, even our tongue not twist as native. So, and also watch lots of videos in English like comedy, movie, everything what you want, and also see subtitles because subtitles improve. Because if we don't understand some pronunciation what they say, so we can understand the subtitles. And when the tough word, so you can write down the meaning of that word. So it also improve your vocabulary, because without lots of vocabulary you can't speak, because it take lots of vocabulary. And when you speak, because if you don't have lots of vocabulary, so when you speak you will stop what to say next. So that's why, and after that all that things you should speak. In starting you will not speak good, and you not bother, because everybody in starting not do good. So but start. So do this like me. I came here and I recorded at least 10 to 15 sessions, and all that was not good, so I deleted all that. So you can also record yourself. Go outside and record at least 10 minutes, and you will see that how hard it's speak alone and in front of camera. When you start speak, you see that I'm blank. I don't have sentences, even words what to say. So you don't have to stop. You have to speak like anything. If not come in your mind sentences, so see everything like I'm here at open field, and here lots of tree, here behind me tree, and here is wheat plant field, here is barren land. Whatever you see, just explain and not stop, because when you will stop, then your mind will blank and you will stop completely. So you do at least 10 minutes, whatever, at least wrong, but you speak. That I did, because in starting I was not sentences not come out, even words not come what to say. So I speak at least anything. 5 to 10 days you will see that I'm not as beginner as I was first, so it will improve. So it's a man speaking, because many people read and listen, they understand very well English, but they can't speak. The problem is that they don't speak, and all guys want to speak. So the main solution is that you speak first. Go outside like jogging. If you don't have like this village area or farmland, so you can go jogging and morning walk as early you can go, because the early morning very less people get up, so you can gain the time. So you can go and go a little bit far where not many people, so there you can practice, and you will see first day when you will do, you will feel much happier and you will thank me as well. I created this technique because everybody watching only, and every tutor only saying that read and watch, but not any people saying that speak. So without speaking you can't speak. It takes time. If you do hard work, definitely 1 month, 13 days you will speak very well. So that's all technique, guys. Implement and you will see huge difference in your speaking journey. So that's it in this video. I hope you will find this video useful, these techniques useful, and please let me know how's your practice. So we'll meet next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.